In this video, I'll show you how to make your Valorant tracker private. All right, just go ahead and go to tracker.gg. Now, once you're in here, make sure to sign in, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. All right, just go ahead and follow the simple verification process. As you can see here, it will automatically log us in. Now, when we go to Valorant right here, click on it, we should be able to see our profile. Now, just go back to home in here. All right, as you can see, we'll be able to find the search bar right here. Now, I'm going to use an incognito tab just to show you that my account has been set to public. I'm just going to go to tracker.gg/Valorant. All right, I'm going to hit on enter. In here, as you can see, I'm going to type in my profile right here. I'm going to click on it. As you can see, it is set to public and everyone can view this. Now, to make it private, go back to your tracker.gg's website. Now, in here, instead of signing in with the right ID, just click on this one right here. Make private. Click on it. Now, as you can see, disable access to your Valorant profile. Continue to revoke your account. Just click on revoke access. Click on it and wait for the process to finish. And once done, you'll see this one right here. Profile is now private. Now, when we open up our incognito tab and refresh this page, as you can see, Made for Money's profile is set to private. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.